Hey everyone, I'm FAQ Fred, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to parallel park in under 60 seconds. Step 1. Find spot that is big enough for your car. Step 2. Pull up alongside the car in front of the open parking space. Step 3. Shift the car into reverse and begin to back up slowly. Step 4. Turn the steering wheel sharply to the right once the back of your car is in line with the back of the car in front of the open space. Step 5. Continue backing up slowly, making sure your car remains parallel to the curb. Once your car is at a 45-degree angle, turn the steering wheel sharply to the left. Step 6. Keep backing up until your car is completely parallel to the curb and is centered in the parking space. And that's it. Remember to always check your mirrors. Signal appropriately and be aware of pedestrians and other drivers while parallel parking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more helpful videos like this one.